Hello candidates, teachers, and parents. Hanks Academy warmly welcomes you to this important briefing hosted by the Kenya National Examinations Council. Today, we will provide you with essential information about the 2025 Kenya Primary School Education Assessment, KPSEA, including the timetable, instructions, and guidelines. The Kenya National Examinations Council is committed to ensuring that the exam season runs smoothly and in an orderly manner. Their goal is to create an environment of peace and confidence for all involved, because exams are not just about testing knowledge, but also about love, care, and support for our learners. Together, let's prepare for a successful and stress-free assessment. Your cooperation and dedication are key to making this a positive experience for everyone. Instructions and schedule of papers for the 2025 KPSEA. The time allowed for each paper is indicated below. No extra time is to be allowed. Mathematics, 1 hour 20 minutes. English, 1 hour. Integrated Science, 1 hour 40 minutes. Kiswahili, 1 hour. Creative Arts and Social Studies, 1 hour 40 minutes. The time for reading through questions is included in the total time shown on the question paper unless specified otherwise in the special paper instructions. Supervisors and invigilators must ensure that candidates are issued with personalized mark sheets bearing their correct names and assessment numbers. Days, dates, sessions, and duration of 2025 KPSEA. The 2025 KPSEA schedule is thoughtfully designed to ensure inclusivity, reflecting the Kenya National Education Council's commitment to leaving no child behind. The exams span from October 24th, starting with rehearsal, through October 29th, covering various subjects and accommodating students with special needs through extended time allowances and alternative formats such as large print, braille, hearing impaired, and sign language. Parents are encouraged to disclose any special needs early, so children can be appropriately supported and placed in the right category during exams. Hanks Academy is proud to work closely with children with special needs, offering online learning from the comfort of their homes, ensuring accessibility and personalized support. Post-KPSEA, we look forward to engaging with interested parents for the upcoming academic year, providing further guidance and support to help every child succeed. Together, we can create an inclusive educational environment where every learner thrives. Starting Monday, September 21st, Hanks Academy is excited to kick off an intensive KPSA revision program that will run for the next month, right up to exam day. We are offering a comprehensive online revision resource designed to prepare your child confidently for the exams. All your child needs is a notebook to write their answers, and they can check their work against the marking schemes we provide, making corrections along the way. At Hanks Academy, we believe it truly takes a village to raise a child. That's why we are here to support you every step of the way. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and share our YouTube page as we work together to help your child achieve their dreams. Let's make this journey a success together. Instructions and guidelines to supervisors, teachers, and candidates. Instructions to supervisors and invigilators. Supervisors and invigilators are required to proactively bring the instructions or guidelines to the attention of candidates and to remind them to strictly adhere to these directives. Additionally, they must ensure that each candidate is issued a personalized answer sheet bearing their correct name and assessment number. As parents, we are deeply concerned about the well-being of the children and do not wish to see them distressed online. Therefore, strict adherence to protocol is essential at all times. In the event of any issues or concerns, these should be handled with the utmost dignity and respect towards the candidates, ensuring that no shaming, shouting, or belittling occurs under any circumstances. Instructions to teachers. Teachers are advised to ensure that candidates clearly understand the instructions given below and are aware of the penalties for assessment irregularities or misconduct. Candidates are required to follow these instructions carefully. Instructions to candidates. 1. Avail yourself for searching outside the assessment room and be seated at your desk/table 15 minutes before the time scheduled for the paper. Morning sessions will start at 8:30 a.m. 2. A candidate who arrives late will be required to give a satisfactory reason to the supervisor. Only in exceptional circumstances will a paper be given to any candidate who is late by more than half an hour. Punctuality should be observed for all papers. 3. Ensure that your name and assessment number have been written and crossed correctly on the answer sheet. 4. Check to ensure that each page of your question paper is printed. Caution to candidates. 1. You are not allowed to leave the assessment room before the end of the period allocated for the paper except with special permission from the supervisor. No candidate so permitted to leave may take a question paper or answer sheet/script out of the assessment room. 2. Do not leave a sheet of paper you have written on or your answers in such a position that another candidate can read them. You should not give or obtain unfair assistance, or attempt to do so, whether by copying or in any other way, and your work should not show proof of such unfair assistance. 3. No communication whatsoever in whatever manner between candidates or with outsiders is allowed during the assessment. 4. You are not allowed to have in your possession or in your proximity while in the assessment room any book, notes, papers or any other materials whatsoever except the correct question papers and any materials expressly authorized by the Kenya National Examinations Council. 5. You must return immediately to the supervisor any question paper that has smudges, has errors or is badly printed. 6. You must not take any used or unused paper out of the assessment room. Any rough work must be done on the official question paper. 7. Any misconduct or causing of disturbance in or near the assessment room will be treated as an assessment irregularity. 8. Cell phones or any other electronic communication device are prohibited in assessment centers. Any candidate caught in possession of a cell phone / any other electronic communication device will have his/her results cancelled.